10 Golden Ways to Find Great YouTube Ideas. 1. Analyze trending topics. Check the trending sections on YouTube, Google Trends, TikTok, and Twitter/X. Trends reveal what people are actively searching for. 2. Study your competitors. Look at channels similar to yours. Identify videos that gained unusually high views. These are high-demand ideas you can recreate with your own twist. 3. Read comments carefully. Viewers often ask questions in comment sections. These questions are direct clues for new video ideas. 4. Use keyword tools. Tools like TubeBuddy, vidIQ, and Ahrefs show keywords with high search volume and low competition. These keywords can turn into perfect video topics. 5. Explore Reddit and forums. Communities like Reddit, Quora, and niche forums reveal the real problems and interests people have, turning them into great content ideas. 6. Turn your own experience into content. Share mistakes you made, lessons learned, behind the scenes, and personal stories. Authentic content performs extremely well. 7. Repurpose viral content. Find viral posts on Instagram, TikTok, or X and make a YouTube video expanding or explaining the trend. 8. Use the People Also Ask feature. Search a topic on Google and check the People Also Ask section. Each question can become a separate YouTube video. 9. Analyze successful shorts. Shorts that go viral often reveal what kind of broader content the audience enjoys. Turn a viral short into a full video. 10. Ask your audience. Use YouTube polls, community posts, or Instagram stories to ask what they want. The answers are guaranteed content ideas.